Welcome to 29 Candlestick Brace in Dayton. Corner block with a double car garage. Let's have a look inside. Three bedroom, two bathroom home. You've got an aircon here, split cycle, pumping into the master bedroom. We've got a secondary bedroom at the front here with a roller shutter. Nice view over the street and a built-in robe. Master bedroom, you've got a wall bracket for a television. All the downlights throughout the property are controlled via an app. Then the ensuite bathroom. And a shower as well. Got controlled roller shutters here too. And a built-in robe. Shared bathroom here, the shower. Then bedroom number 3 is over here. We've also got a wall mount too. Plenty of natural light in that room. The double car garage is accessible by this door. Linen cupboard to my right and European style laundry, very accessible here. Opening straight up into the main living space. You got another split cycle system on the wall, quite a large one. And in your kitchen, you got a dishwasher and a gas cooktop. Quite a large space here. Sliding doors open up into my favourite part of the property, which is this courtyard, backyard area. Followed out clothesline, but a really nice shade sail too. Solar panels on the roof. And the owner has also installed a whirlybird, which he says has reduced the heat significantly. So you've got a bit of a storage area there. And this is that little side yard area, accessible from the gate towards the front, but that's the master bedroom in just through there. We've got an instant gas hot water system just here. Tap as well, so if you have an outdoor garden. There's also power points too. Nice big open living space. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Dayton on a nice big corner block just here. "29 Candlestick Brace."